Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Java in Visual Studio Code. First, ensure you have the Java Development Kit, or JDK, installed on your system. We recommend version 11 or newer for the best experience. You will also need Visual Studio Code itself, which is a free and powerful code editor. Make sure both are installed and ready to go before moving on to the next crucial step. Next, let's get the necessary tools within Visual Studio Code. Open the Extensions view by clicking the square icon on the sidebar or by pressing Ctrl-Shift-X. In the search bar, type Extension Pack for Java. This official Microsoft pack includes several key extensions like Language Support, Debugger for Java, and Project Manager, providing a complete development environment. Click Install to add these powerful features. Now that your environment is set up, let's create your first Java project. Open the command palette by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P. Type Java, create Java project, and select the option. For a straightforward start, choose No Build Tools. Then, pick a folder on your computer and give your project a name. Visual Studio Code will automatically generate a basic Hello World application, complete with a main method, ready for you to begin coding. Finally, it's time to run and debug your Java application. Open your main Java file, typically named app. Java, you'll notice Run and Debug buttons conveniently located above your main method. Clicking Run will execute your code, displaying output in the integrated terminal. For more control, press F5 to start a debugging session, allowing you to set breakpoints and step through your code line by line, observing variables and program flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.